I put my international passport, in my bag. And I told my wife, look, if we lose this today,
you will jump back from there.
I'm traveling out. So you take care of this, you take care of that. On that article, I know the whole plot against me. I knew all the plot against me. How they are going to come, immediately the article wins. How they are going to come after me. This, of course, police will no longer take instruction. They know that the new president has emerged. I also told my wife, if article wins, forget it, I'm off.
That was yesterday in a media chat with the FCT minister and the former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike. He recounted on how he wanted to run out of the country if Atiku had won. He talked about the political relationship between he himself and the former governor of Rivers State, Peter Odili. Wike, as I talk to you now, is one of the most confused politicians in Nigeria because the PDP that he called his base in Rivers State has ousted him. They don't want him in PDP anymore because he is not supporting PDP. Then back to the APC. APC said that he is destroying Tinubu's structure. So Wike at the moment don't really know what to do or don't know the next step that he is going to take. It might interest you to listen to the end of this interview.
When I did not support Buhari as a governor, I remained, let anybody challenge me. I never came to Buhari one day. I never. To beg for anything. Or to go and make a statement. To say so that I want to come into Buhari. No. I stood firm. I never supported him. And I never believed in the government.
I never attended meetings today.
I never, in fact, even to go to next meetings. That's what they call integrity. That's what they call statesmanship. Not, you talk here now. In the evening, he said this again. He says a politician. What kind of politicians are that?
Yeah, but you are on record as in the past, publicly saying that you will never have a kind of disagreement with Dr. Odili that will lead to this kind of frustrated relationship.
No. So
that is saved your political career.
No, don't make that. I never said so. I say in politics, you see, for me, we are finished with this stage. It does not mean that the next stage you'll be in the same camp. No. You took a decision, I took a decision. And that's okay. If this is your own political decision, no problem.
But do you still see him as your leader somehow?
Why not? But so does it mean I'll be in the same camp with him?
Is this issue so big that for Dr. Odili's sake you can't bend?
What you bending in what?
I can't forgive Governor Subara and
excuse me, when they say forgive, what's the problem? Is it not running the state?
Yeah, but it's been harassed.
Harassed by who?
The lawmakers.
Oh, am I a lawmaker?
You hold the levers.
I hold what?
You are controlling. You are virtually controlling the lawmakers.
But you are saying that you are what reason people say they are illegal. You are seeing that the so-called elder statesmen say that they are illegitimate. You know, people, I don't know the kind of school they went to.
What's your solution to this reverse?
From what I read, what the assembly were saying, comply with the law. Comply with the agreement you had with them, with the president. If you comply with that, then you don't have any problem. So what is the problem? You don't have budget. Can you make an expenditure? And people are, look, you see, and the court set aside the budget. Now, what people didn't know, and they claim, and that's why I laugh at them. Even that matter, President of Justice Motosho, in the hearing of that matter, the council for the governor withdrew all the processes filed against him in that matter. Withdrew all processes, in which case he did not defend the matter. The so-called boy then, that said he was speaker, was a party to the suit. He also, through his counsel, withdrew all processes. So, it then means
that was because the president had intervened at that time.
What are you talking? Look.
And part of the resolution was that withdraw all processes.
Okay. If that's so, why are you going to appeal now? What are you going to appeal to do? Okay, assuming don't not concede. What are you going to appeal to do? What are you appealing on? They did not defend the matter. Who to a party to? Your so-called speaker then, who also withdrew his processes. And judgment was passed like an undefended list. And you are now going to appeal. And you don't tell, lawyers don't tell the truth. Now you go around again, instigating so many people to file action against the speaker and members of the House.
With the governor?
Yes.
But some say he's not even fighting back. He's not instigating anybody.
Please, tell your 3-month-old baby that one. All kind of things. But they've forgotten that there's a court matter between the assembly members, PDP, and INEC, and which the court gave injunction. They forgot that there's a motorcycle. Recognize the speaker and these members of the assembly. Now you see how they collect money. You see, let me tell you how people who are not experienced, they can suck you. They have over 35 matters. Every day the same subject. They will go and tell him, yes, sir, want to find matter against these people. Then they collect money. Some say that stakeholders of River State, elders, they want to watch their locus. The only people who have locus, as far as this matter is concerned, to challenge, if I thought there was a defection, is PDP. When you say stakeholder, how did you know you voted for him, for them? How do you know you voted for them? They all kinds of collecting money, left, right, and center. So what the lawmakers are saying, look, you have no budget by law. Well, but we also need agreement with you before Mr. President. And if you do not comply, then we have no visitation.
Well, some say that
to carry the process.
The till date that the governor has released funds for the emoluments of the lawmakers and that all their titles are being paid
is that
as part of the agreement.
Okay, let me tell you. Okay, is that all? Let me tell you. When you were not paying them, we were dead. So you are telling me the entitlement, the constitutional right that they beg you to release, yet they're illegal people. The same people who are saying they're illegal, he wrote a letter to them to confront commissioners. What is in this budget you don't want to? Appropriation law is key. What is the fear?
Why do you think he doesn't want to present the budget?
That's why I should ask you.
No, but some say that there's a court, that someone has gone to court
to do what?
To prevent him from representing the budget because it will be legal.
What is the action?
So what should he do?
What is the action? That's why I'm telling you that you go and tell me, okay, what's the action? What is there any judgment?
No, it's in court. If it's in court,
Why,
are you not supposed
what
to
are we talking about?
stay action?
Why can you?
Until it subsists?
How? Listen, let me tell you. Is there no court that set aside the budget? Is there no court judgment that set aside the budget?
So if he represents
a
the
matter
budget,
that he was a party to.
Yeah, but if he represents the budget,
yes,
and there's a court injunction saying, no, not injunction, there's a matter in court trying to determine that matter, would it not be violating
how can you say
the
so?
process?
If the court had determined the matter, saying the court, the judge, there was no budget, and the budget said, how can somebody go to court again to say no, don't present the budget? I mean, you know, some of us try to do it. We know the politics, we know the antics. But those things at the end of the day is who suffers.
Let's stay with the politics a little bit, Your Excellency.
Who suffers? Yes. It's not this, see, like I've said, I will not. He who has the shoe knows where it pitches. It's not these political harbingers looking for where they will survive. Oh, you send money to this person. Oh, send money to this person. They'll be sucking you. I know them. I know them. This is the time. The fruit is ripe. So what they do now is, Your Excellency, we'll teach Wike a lesson. Tell me any of them there that have the capacity to teach me a lesson. These people from 2007, we have never been in the same political class, a particular camp. 2007, I was with Amici. We defeated him. When Abiyan went to ACN in 2011 to run election, he ran away. He said the soldier didn't allow him to vote. He go back candidate. Now, when I wanted to be governor, they were against me. Until when they saw they have no choice in the primaries. They have no choice. I normally beat them shaggy. And I won. Now, they thought I'm that kind of person they will continue to. I played along with them. I tried to manage the political situation because I knew that the federal government was fighting me badly. So I had to manage them, manage the situation.
Locally.
Yes, until they showed their hand in 2023. Simply because they saw the governor as a new fight. I bought the form for all of them. All of them.
Oh, you're confirming what we're saying.
I said, I bought the form. I'm not hiding it. I gave them. And we all agreed. When we will choose one person, instead of dissipating our energy, spending money.
Because stuff.
The governor, of course, is the governor. For me, I wish him good luck. But I've done what I think I should do.
Your Excellency,
everything.
You are just going in the direction we wanted to go.
Yes.
I'm talking politically. You took those decisions about 2 years ago. Picked your,
2 years ago.
That's anyway when you picked.
Not up to a year.
Okay, not up to a year. So when this was done, you and all these assembly members, you won these elections and all. When you look back a little bit, would you be thinking maybe there was a road you should have taken that you did not take that now made all of us arrive at this?
First of all, these assembly members are not from my constituency. I couldn't have picked all of them. It's not possible. It's not possible. 32 constituencies? No. Just that you have people who have principle. You have people who say, look, I can't believe this. We were even here before you, the governor, before they gave you ticket. We all work for you. You're not better than us. But our boss said, look, let's leave him. Let him be the one. They could also be aspired to be a governor. If I started any of them, it would have been governor.
I'm asking these questions, sir. Just a moment. I'm asking these questions, sir. Remembering, those campaigns and how you were, seriously endorsing the current, governor and all that. I'm saying that, did you think maybe perhaps, maybe there was a road you took that you are not supposed to, on hindsight, maybe you wouldn't have, taken?
Well, it's not everything I have to say. Look, let me tell you. In politics, it's just like a business. Sometimes you may invest in business. Sometimes it result to loss. Will you kill yourself? If you kill yourself, will you go back to the business? It's not every investment you make that you will reap. Sometimes consider it as loss. And that's the only way you can move forward. I don't think about it. I'm focused in Abuja.
Some people say you've done your 8 years as the governor, nobody controlled you all through your tenure and everything, that you are the FCT minister, concentrate on FCT, leave Rivers alone.
Leave Rivers State. Am I from where? Am I from Abuja? I shouldn't go home. I should not oil my political machinery. I'm out of politics.
They say you still want to be controlling
Control
things,
what?
micromanaging the governor.
How?
Is it true you submitted 18 names for him to appoint as commissioners out of 19?
How can that be possible? You see, this is how you know men. God, Akwa Ibom governor. Did he not take every member of Udom's cabinet? Did Akwa Ibom governor Did you not take all members of what's it called, Udom's cabinet? If people are terrible, it was a look. Yes, the whole cabinet supported you, but there are also those who are not in cabinet that also supported you. So the best bet is look, take 50%, 50%, so that people won't say they lost out. What is wrong in that? So that is control. Okay, face your government now. Face it now. Why are you bothering me? I'm here looking for money to do roads. And you are calling my name there.
Honorable Minister,
who will pay for my transport to go and talk to the assembly people?
We've heard you say several times that you have fulfilled your own part of the agreement that you reached with the president. It leaves people suggesting that maybe it's the governor who hasn't fulfilled it. So they wonder, what is the bone of contention in the first place?
What is the bone of contention? I have never seen this in life. Look, let me tell you. You think it is everything the National Assembly does that the president is happy? Or you think that's everything that the president does that National Assembly will be happy? That's what we call relationship. Do you understand me? The president does not see National Assembly as my boys. The moment you begin to do that, you create a problem for yourself. I, as a minister, I have a good relationship with National Assembly. Why? Because I need them. There's no time I don't go to come. Mr. President, where are you? He said, come to the guest house.
Except your senators, Kara Galabi.
Mr. Speaker, where are you? The chairman of the FCT committee, both area councils. So Thomas, Father Bidi, chairman FCT committee on the area council. Where are you? The other senator from Taraba, where are you? Are you around this evening? He said, yes, let's meet, share a drink.
And you cook across them for them.
It doesn't matter whatever is available.
What about?
Do you understand me? You have relationship. Now, it's like people think having a relationship means money. No. Weekends, I'm not traveling. I call them. Where are you? When I was governor, I could say I put all of them, right? In that case, I can say, Speaker, come here. But even at that, I don't do that. I said, Speaker, where are you? He says, can you come over this night? I said, what about the deputy speaker? He said, okay, 12 you should come. How are things going? Fine. Not too fine. Why? Do you understand me? Why? We'll talk, we'll share them. I will move on. You and I came. Oh, after all, they were obeying the former governor. You see, that is the problem you have. You are seeing them as your boys when you are in the assembly. You can't do that. I'm telling you, I was one. 2014, 2015. I sponsored the election of everybody. 2019, the same thing happened. You saw the fight I had with federal government. You don't have any fight with federal government. So what is the problem? They cannot have a good relationship with just assembly members. And you every time say Wike. Well, what is that Wike that's making him to hold this assembly? What is that? Tell me. What is that? That's why if we normally say, if he didn't dare, he didn't dare. If you don't know what to do, you don't know what to do. And you begin to call Wike every day,
Your Excellency, doesn't that then put the ball straight back in your court?
Yes.
Don't you think, in view of, first of all, the legacy you left behind in Rivers State and the need not just to sustain it, but to also be seen as, a kind of continuum. Don't you think there's a responsibility on you that you should be the one to, after all, you put him there, reach out to him? You just said now that it appears he doesn't know the way forward.
Don't say that. It has got to see, we're in different political camps now.
You are looking for peace.
No, what I don't go to that, I'm in a different political camp. Doesn't mean
Which political camp are you in?
Oh, no. You know I'm in PDP.
You are in PDP?
Yes. Well,
is the governor in AC?
Yes, but it's a different political camp. He
is
has
in
his
APC?
Camp. No, he's in his own camp. You have seen his people. Have you not seen his people? It's clear.
Can't you win him away from the wrong crowd?
I can't spend that
energy. If you think he's in the wrong crowd, can't you win him away from that?
I can't have that energy. If I have it, I wouldn't even go and spend it.
Well, even because you want to sustain your legacy.
What is my legacy? Did he want to sustain the legacy?
Because it's an offshoot of your government.
No, it is no longer. He has told, look, if it was an offshoot, you can't do what you are doing now. You see, what
don't
people...
you think all of that you are putting in jeopardy now
he has,
by not helping him out of a problem? Then the last question, because we are almost at that stage now. Last question. Yes. Do you think the feud between you and Fubara is enough for you to also jeopardize the relationship you have built over a long period of time? A kind of father-son relationship with former governor Sir Peter.
Why are you talking about father-son? Don't you see where a father rides away?
And omits the name of
this person. Don't you see so?
But the kind of son you are is one that can go to the father and say, you have to put my name because I deserve to be there.
My brother, I'm not the one who does like this. Anybody who knows me knows me. When I say I'm enough, I've gone.
No,
when I say if there's no preaching anybody can preach to me now, it will be a sellout to my people, to my political team. Because what we saw was somebody who broke Guinness Book of Record. Because it's like, we can't believe this. There was nowhere suspicion came. Nowhere. You know when you break that Guinness Book of Record? Come. Do you know what's called betrayal? Do you know what it is? Have you been betrayed before?
Is that what's going on now?
It just happened in Easter. It just happened this past Easter. Judas and Jesus.
Well, was Christ happy? Even that one was dumber because Christ had to die for man to be safe.
In terms of solution, what if Governor Fubara joins APC? The lawmakers are in APC.
What's my business?
Will there be a solution?
What we know the whole thing going on. Was I in the APC before I supported the president? Was I in APC?